Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today will be my first mukbang for this channel, so let's enjoy it. This is chicken. Let's enjoy it guys. This is the gravy and this is our food. I'm very hungry. This is Zangam and this is Lehoy. Có cổ mà tệ thân nụ vào ra cái bố lại bố ơi. À sao chỗ này kiên xuống cả bộ đội. Mở ra thay. Morok sai. Hai lôi nằm bạc lali badai ni. Nang hit yao sa lau ri ta này video không số phát này yao hơn lau đấy. Ay lauluan ni ko mato pa. This guy is a beast in eating food plus chicken. She has already finished 5 pieces of chicken. Mine only 2. This juice is very nice.
Ai chả bà lôi rè. Finish. Thả cho nào.
These two very fast eating. Food eating already done. This boy is eating chicken skin. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
And share. And comment.
Thank you. Meet you in the next video.